Hugging cliff tops above the world's highest tides, experience the Fundy Trail Parkway. Listen, the sound of the waterfalls, Triassic rocks where the Atlantic Ocean was born. Look, a flower pot rock. Taste, the salt of the sea. Smell, mossy ground. Touch, the age-old rock outcrop. Here you discover a peaceful, serene calm that feeds the soul. Hike it, bike it, drive it, see it. The rock outcrops along the Fundy Trail Parkway expose both Precambrian to Cambrian rocks near the bridge at Big Salmon River and Triassic Age rocks along the coast to the west. About 400 million years of Earth history can be seen here. The older rocks tell the story of the ancient Iapetus Ocean. The younger rocks are the story of the birth of the Atlantic Ocean. In Greek mythology, Iapetus was a titan and father of Atlas, from whom the Atlantic Ocean gets its name. The Atlantic Ocean is a relatively recent geological feature, only about 200 million years old. It was created by seafloor spreading. Molten rock from the Earth's interior rises to the surface to create new crust. The rising molten material creates a bubble in the crust that eventually breaks to create volcanoes. Over millions of years, the cracks widen to create a rift valley and eventually a new ocean. The Bay of Fundy is a failed rift, created when the Atlantic Ocean was born. Instead of becoming part of a new ocean, it became a rift valley. Ancient rivers filled the valley with sediment we now see as sandstone and conglomerate. Rocks are eroded by the action of water, slowly breaking down the layers into smaller pieces. As the rocks are slowly worn down, the sand and mud will be washed out into the Bay of Fundy. They will eventually become sedimentary rocks again as part of the recycling of the Earth's crust. Flower pots are a picturesque result of coastal erosion. They are small fragments of the eroding coastline that have withstood the pounding of the sea. They remind us where the coastline once stood. Someday, they will succumb to the sea. How will you explore the Fundy Trail Parkway?